Good morning students. Last class we discussed about periodicity and how to change valency electrons in the period and group. Today we discuss about periodic properties. So topic is periodic properties. What are the periodic properties? Now check it. Atomic radius or atomic size. Second one, ionization potential or ionization energy. Third one, electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. Fourth one, electronegativity or electronegative character. Next, electropositive character or electropositivity. Metallic character. Non-metallic character. Nature of oxides. This is the most important atomic properties. What is that? Atomic radius or atomic size. Second one, ionization potential or ionization energy. Third one, electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. Fourth one, electronegative character. Fifth one, electropositive character. This is also called as electronegativity, electropositivity. Next, sixth one, metallic character. Seventh one, non-metallic character. Eighth one, nature of oxides. Now, first one we discuss now. Atomic radius. So, what is the meaning of atomic radius? How you can identify the atomic radius in the periodic table, top to bottom in a group, from left to right in a period. Now, now definition of atomic radius: the distance between center of the nucleus and its outermost orbit of an atom is called as atomic radius or atomic size. Now, once again I repeat, the distance between center of the nucleus and its outermost orbit of an atom is called as atomic radius. The distance between center of the nucleus and its outermost orbit of an atom is called atomic radius. So next, what are the units of atomic radius? So units of atomic radius is angstrom. Next point, units of atomic radius is angstrom. Angstrom denoted by next 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So here centimeter becomes to meter, the value should be changed. So 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So this is about atomic radius. Next, how to change atomic radius in group and period? Check it. So before going to how to change atomic radius in group and period, we should learn what are the factors affect on the atomic radius. What are the factors affecting on the atomic radius? There are two factors, is there? There are two factors. One is number of cells. What happens, number of cells increases and decreases atomic radius. Number of cells increases, then atomic radius also increases. Next, another point, number of cells decreases, then atomic radius also decreases. So this is very important. So first factor, what is that? Number of cells. So number of cells increases, what happens? Atomic radius increases. Next, number of cells decreases, what happens? Atomic radius decreases. Next, second one, nuclear charge. So here nuclear charge increases, atomic radius decreases. So here why atomic radius decreases whenever nuclear charge increases? Because the electrons are attracted by nucleus, then the cells closer to nucleus, that's why atomic size decreases. Nuclear charge increases, then atomic radius decreases due to nucleus attracted by outermost orbit electrons then the cells closer to nucleus. That's why atomic radius decreases. So here what happens? Nuclear charge increases, then atomic radius decreases due to nucleus attracted by outermost orbit electrons, then the cells closer to nucleus. That's why atomic radius decreases. Next, another point. Nuclear charge. So here nuclear charge decreases, then atomic radius increases. What happens here? The electrons added into new cells. So that's why atomic size or atomic radius increases. Nuclear charge decreases, then atomic radius increases due to electrons added into the new cells. So this is very important. So nuclear charge decreases, then atomic radius increases due to electrons added into the new cells. So this is factors effect on the atomic radius. Next, how to change atomic radius in group and period. Now we can check. In a group, what happens? Atomic radius. How does vary atomic radius in a group top to bottom? Atomic radius in a group top to bottom increases due to number of cells increases. So what happens atomic radius in group? So here atomic radius in group top to bottom increases due to number of cells increases and nuclear charge decreases. So this is the two factors. Now check it. Let me take first A group. Any four elements let me take: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Hydrogen atomic number 1, lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19. Electronic configuration: 1s1, lithium 1s2, 2s1. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Next potassium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. So here how you can identify these cells? So here this is the one cell. Here how many cells is there? This is one cell, this is 1s one cell, 2s another cell. That's why here two cells. One cell, two cells. Here how many cells is there? This is one, this is another one, this is another one. 1, 2, 3. 3 cells. Next, potassium. This is one cell, this is one cell, this is one cell, this is one. 1, 2, 3, 4 cells. So whenever number of cells increases, nuclear charge decreases. Suppose here observe, 1 cell, 2 cells, 3 cells, 4 cells. Here what happens? Nucleus the nucleus has in center of the atom. Now what is atomic radius? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is called as atomic radius. This is atomic radius. Here what happens? Number of cells increases, atomic radius also increases. Here small atomic radius, bigger, bigger, bigger. So number of cells increases, atomic radius increases. What happens? Nuclear charge decreases. How it is possible? Here the size of the atom is very less. That's why nuclear charge is more on the outermost orbit. But here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is large is there. That's why nuclear charge is very, very less. Next, in a period, atomic radius in a period decreases. due to electrons added into the same cell and nuclear charge increases. So in period what happens? Atomic radius in a period decreases due to electrons added into the same cell and nuclear charge increases. Here what happens? Electrons added into the same cell. So whenever electrons added into the same cell, the repulsion occur in the atom, then the size of the atom is shrinking. Shrinking means size is decreases. Now check it, second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Lithium atomic number 3. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Next, beryllium atomic number 4. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Boron atomic number 5. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Carbon atomic number 6. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Nitrogen atomic number 7. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 2p3 or 2p4. So here 2p4. So 9 fluorine. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Neon atomic number 10. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So here consider 2s. So here we observe outermost orbit 2s2, 2s1, 2s2, 2s2, 2p1 like that is there. This is we consider as one orbit because here orbital number same is here we consider as one orbit. That's why totally we consider as one orbit. Now here 2s1, 2s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2s2, 2p2, 2s2, 2p3, 2s2, 2p4, 2s2, 2p5, 2s2, 2p6. That means electrons enter into the same cell only. So that's why what happens here, whenever electrons added into the same cell, the repulsion occur between in the electrons, the size of the atom is shrinking. Shrinking means size decreases. Now check it. Suppose lithium dislike size. Next. So this is size. What happens? Atomic radius or atomic size decreases in period. So we know that atomic radius means distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. So next, what is the comparison of atomic size or atomic radius of for cations and anions? This is very important. So cation size is smaller than neutral atom. How this is possible? Because here number of electrons decreases and nuclear charge increases. Let me take cation size smaller than the neutral atom. What is the reason? Due to number of electrons decreases and nuclear charge increases. Now let me take one example. Sodium, atomic number 11, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So here there are 3 cells is there. One, first cell, second cell, third cell. So electrons filled in cells like that. First cell 2 electrons, second cell 2 plus 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining how many is there? 1. This 1 electron entered this cell. Now here what happens? How to form cation? By loss of electrons. Here sodium 1 electron lost to form sodium ion. So this is the Na plus 1 electron. So whenever the sodium lost this 1 electron, this cell completely removed, then we get Na plus. So Na plus contain how many electrons? 10 electrons. But here how many electrons is there? 11 electrons. It containing 11 electrons. Now check it this one also. First cell 2, second cell 8. This is electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So here what happens? Cation size smaller than neutral atom. Here what is their size is large, atomic radius or atomic size. But here is small is there. What is the reason? Number of electrons decreases. Here 11 electrons is there, here 10 electrons is there. And also nuclear charge increases. Whenever size of the atom decreases, nuclear charge increases. Here size is more is there, that's why charge is less. But here size is less, charge is increases. Next let me take some examples. So here charge on the cation increases, size of the atom decreases. Very important topic this one. What happens here? Charge on the cation increases, size of the atom decreases. General example, we can write this like M plus, M2 plus, M3 plus, M4 plus. When we compare this one, what is the order of atomic radius of the all these 4 cations? Next here, we know that charge on the cation increases, size of the atom decreases. And also here neutral atom is there. Last we discussed last points. When we compare cation and a neutral atom, cation size is smaller than neutral atom. Now arrange the decreasing order of atomic size or atomic radius of cations. Decreasing order of atomic radius or atomic size. First we can write what is the bigger size. So when you compare this 5, this is the bigger because of neutral atom is large size than remaining. Now M plus, M2 plus, M3 plus, M4 plus. You can write increasing order of atomic radius or atomic size. Increasing order of atomic radius or atomic size. Increase order means smaller to bigger. Reverse. M4 plus less than, M3 plus less than, M2 plus less than, M1 plus. You should write 1 plus or plus. Yeah. Some example that we take. This is decreasing order, increasing order. Example 2. Sodium Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus, Si4 plus. Arrange the decreasing order of atomic radius or atomic size. Decreasing order of